Hey GlamFam, welcome back or welcome to the channel, besties. Okay, so today we're going to be juicing. We're going to be making a quick juice to help you. This is going to help you cut craving. This is going to help you with the bloating, and this is going to help you to go to the bathroom if you are consistent. Consistency is key to whatever it is that we're doing. So doing it one day is definitely not going to help. Stick it out for at least 2 weeks over the holiday season and you'll see a big difference. There is really no quick fix, you guys. Just for the rest of the holidays, drink this every morning. Make this be the first thing you drink. This is something that's always in my refrigerator because why? I know that it works. I've been juicing now for 8-9 months, and this is something that we always have in the refrigerator. Veggie wash that I found at Ross. I've had this for a while. Now I feel like the cucumbers it just feels waxy, and so once you rub this on here and then rinse off the wash, you should be good to go. All right, now we're gonna cut our cucumbers. So it's basically 3 ingredients only. I'm sure it's possible that you have at least 2 of these right now. If you don't, they aren't very hard to get. So with everything that you're going to be eating this holiday season, you need something to help you feel less bloated and be able to go, because it's input versus output when it comes on to weight gain or weight loss. We're going to add ginger. The ginger is dirty, so I'm going to be using my little brush. Look at that. That's dirt, you guys. I'm going to be using my little brush to wash that off, and then we are going to start juicing. If you have been following us for Vlogmas, do respond to the question of the day. As I said before, I feel like we're stuck. Small YouTubers are stuck and we're trying to get unstuck. So if you are watching this and you find value, we're asking you to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, watch to the end, and we appreciate your time. All right, so I set my juicer up. Let's load. I like to go in with my pineapple. Yeah, I like to go with pineapples first, and I like to leave at least 2 slices for when I put in the ginger to make sure I get every juice out of the ginger. So if you need a juicer, do shop your juicer at olakes.com. I'll be putting the link to that in the description box below. So if you're interested in getting yourself a juicer, you can shop yours at olakes.com. All right, we're going to be adding the ginger now. And after we add the ginger, so from the 4 pineapples and the 4 cucumbers, this was what we got. A little bit over 3 liters, almost a gallon. Now I recommend right after you're done using your juicer, wash it right away, because when fruits dry on things, like even if you have a juice bottle, you want to wash it right away when your juice is in there, because
they get sticky icky
and will be hard to clean. So now we're bottling, and this is it. So this goes in the fridge and we'll have this to drink until we need more. We appreciate your time. I trust that you're having a wonderful holiday, and if you're spending it with family and friends, even better.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.